Way they go. Heartbreak Kid from the outside, pot of gold. Famous girl done on the inside, barefoot Contessa about to be. Is racing in fifth, running in 6 by some 5 lengths, Waterstar Mangaro. Two runners fighting it out for the lead, pot of gold, Heartbreak Kid. And on the outside, moving up to take third position, about to be. Rounding the far turn, pot of gold by a length and a half, Heartbreak Kid. About to be racing third by some 4 lengths, Barefoot Contessa down on the inside, Famous Girl. Last 450, pot of gold, Heartbreak Kid, Barefoot Contessa. About to be as they race the final corner. Pot of gold in the middle, Heartbreak Kid from the outside, Barefoot Contessa, about to be a Famous Girl. And nearing the last 150, pot of gold, Barefoot Contessa, Heartbreak Kid from the outside, and Famous Girl. And nearing the finish line, pot of gold this time by some 2 lengths, and finally pot of gold, Famous Girl, Barefoot Contessa, Heartbreak Kid, about to be Warstar, and Mangaro comes last.